Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your assets in Bynder detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Bynder account. Navigate to the Assets section from the main dashboard. Locate the asset you wish to back up. Click on the asset to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, find the download option. Select the appropriate file format for your backup. Click on the download button to initiate the download. Wait for the file to download to your local device. Once the download is complete, check your device's downloads folder. If you have multiple assets to backup, repeat the process for each one. Consider organizing your downloaded assets into dedicated folders on your device. For a more comprehensive backup, explore Bynder's bulk download feature. To use bulk download, select multiple assets from the asset list. Look for the download option at the top of the screen. Choose your preferred file format for the bulk download. Click Download to start the process. Monitor the progress of your download in the notification area. After all files have been downloaded, verify the integrity of your backups. Store these backups in a secure location for future access. Regularly update your backups to include new or modified assets. By following these steps, you can ensure your assets in Bynder are securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.